Welcome back. Now news from sports. GCA Academy Stars registered their first win in Goa Professional League 3 by defeating Dempo Cricket Club. Dempo have slumped to their third straight loss in the tournament. On Wednesday, it was Dempo's batting that flopped once again, which led to the loss. For GCA Stars, it was Amog Desai's inning of 75 that enabled them to reach 160 in their 20 overs. The second match was a high-scoring affair with NRB GCA Stars coming on top against Salgaonkar Sports Club.
Dempo won the toss and put GCA into bat. Dempo were looking for some luck batting second as the Blues have lost their first two matches batting first. But GCA's batting led by Amog Desai piled on the runs and misery on Dempo. Amog scored a 65 ball 76. Amog's innings showed a good level of maturity from the teenager as he scored 7 boundaries and won 6 in his 76. GCA posted a challenging 160 for 7 in their 20 overs. Dempo skipper Robin D'Souza promoted himself to the opening slot in Dempo's reply, but the GCA bowlers bowled well and did not give anything away. Tushar Narvekar was the first to go and soon went skipper Robin D'Souza. Vidyadhar Kamath and Rahul Jadhav steadied the ship, but after they were dismissed in quick succession, it was a procession of wickets for the Blues. Amit Yadav and Kamran Khan looked threatening in their short stint at the crease, but GCA bowled well and stifled the Dempo batsmen. Dempo lost their third straight match. Dempo struggled to score runs and ended up with 120 for 9 wickets in their 20 overs. Asghar Pasha and Shadab Jakati bagged 4 and 3 wickets respectively. Amog Desai was awarded the man of the match. Here are a quick look at the fall of wickets.
Captain Kipane out of the green, good ball from the wicket keeper. So the second wicket goes down Dempo.
The second match was a high-scoring affair with NRB GCA coming on top against Salgaonkar Sports Club. Jyoth Chhaya was the man of the match for his 97 not out that guided GCA to Salgaonkar's score of 176 in 20 overs. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dempo Slump.
Red, green, blue, yellow, yes, the festival of colors Holi is here. Goans are all set to celebrate Holi with much fanfare. After the election mood, people have switched to Holi mood. Gulal, Pitskari and much more. Markets are full with Holi stuff. Have a look.
आमकां काल आमी 2 दीस आदी इलेक्शनाच्या तयारीन सगळो गुलाल लायलो पण काल सगळे इलेक्शनाच्या निमतान सगळे रेलीच्या फाटल्यान आनी आमकां काल गिरायक मातशें ना पण आयज बरोबर सामकी गर्दी पडल्या सकाळच्यान की आमकां टायमूच ना काडून दितले जाल्यार म्हटल्यार बरें आसा गिरायकाचें हें आमकां तशें कांय ना कलर आमचे कडेन सगळे वरायटी आसा पिचकारे सगळे फाल्यां होलीची तयारी आमी पूर्ण केल्ली आसा
टूरिस्ट हम लोग कल्याण से आए हैं और गोवा में बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब होली मनाते हैं इसके लिए हम लोग सोचे कि गोवा में एंजॉय करेंगे और हमारा कम से कम 50 लोग का ग्रुप आया है होली मनाने के लिए गोवा में।
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Omkar Ferrari.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. If you have missed our bulletin, you can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.